you doing?
Greetings. How are you? You see, he's very tall, so I have to reach up. You know?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again. No, so I have to talk about your outfit.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I love it. Talk me through your wardrobe choice.
Well, you don't know, it's my wife and I who were just scrolling through and we just make some selection and see it look outstanding and we decide, say, hey, we're going to roll with this car and look out different, you know, make a signature statement.
Absolutely. And you are excited tonight for...
I'm really elated because guess what, Candice? The last time we met was when we was at the Reggae Film Festival.
Yes.
Barbara Blake. And,
yes.
And been all those years I've been still doing the great work. So get me saying, some venturing off doing poetry now, still doing my short films. But where poetry is concerned, because I'm nominated for the Mutabaruka Spoken Word Entertainer.
Well, look at you! I'm so proud of you. That's
so
awesome.
You know the journey continue. We never stop, Candice, because from day one we've been doing what we're doing, and you know it's quite an elated feeling to know that IRAWMA, you know, stand 41 years.
41 years staging.
Recognize my creativity and talents. Because over the years, we hear Ellis Kelly and Barbara Blake kind of talk more about me and what we've been doing, but not much people been paying attention.
Right.
So, I know some can there, so now today, standing with my wife
it's a joy.
It's a really joy.
Hello, ma'am. I love that neck piece is everything. Welcome. Oh my goodness. Well, I can't wait to see you guys inside. Go ahead and strut on our record. Yeah, man. Enough respect, man. Love it, love it, love it. And now we have the legendary.